Hello students. In previous video I have finished the topic tokens. Okay, I have discussed about keywords, literals, identifiers, operators, separators. About these tokens I have discussed. Now few basic things we require to know before starting the programming. Okay, so fundamental is going on. So one of the fundamental topic I am going to discuss here, that is what operator precedence. Okay. So definition you can see on the screen. I have written the definition of operator precedence, that it determines the order of operators in an expression. Okay. So what is this? Let me tell you. In maths, you know, this rule, Bodmer's rule is applied. I think you know, this is the sequence, this is the precedence of operators. Which operator will be calculated first? B for bracket, O for off, D for division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is the sequence, this is the precedence. Precedence means priority. किस ऑपरेटर की प्रायोरिटी हाई है, किस ऑपरेटर की प्रायोरिटी लो है, मतलब कौन सा ऑपरेटर पहले और कौन सा ऑपरेटर बाद में कैलकुलेट होगा, इवेल्युएट होगा. So this is called operator precedence, and this we use in maths. But here we do not use this. In Java programming, Bodmer's rule is not applied. Bodmer's rule apply nahi hota. Okay, so listen. What is the rule here? You know, multiplication, division, and modulus. All these three operators have same precedence, same priority. Means we cannot say that multiplication has greater priority, greater precedence than division. No, they all three have same precedence, but higher than प्लस एंड माइनस. प्लस और माइनस से ज्यादा होती है इनकी प्रायोरिटी. इन तीनों की प्रायोरिटी आपस में सेम है. दे हैव सेम प्रायोरिटी लेवल, दे हैव सेम प्रेसिडेंस, बट हायर देन प्लस एंड माइनस. लाइक दैट, प्लस एंड माइनस, these two operators have same precedence, same priority, but lower than multiplication, division, and modulus. Again I'm repeating, these three operators have same precedence but lower than plus and minus, higher than plus and minus. Like that, plus and minus have same priority but lower than these three. Okay, I hope it is clear. एक बार और फिर से रिपीट कर दे रहे हैं. मल्टीप्लीकेशन, डिवीजन और मॉडुलस तीनों की प्रायोरिटी आपस में सेम है, लेकिन प्लस और माइनस से ज्यादा. ओके, वैसे प्लस और माइनस की प्रायोरिटी आपस में सेम है, लेकिन इन तीनों से, मल्टीप्लीकेशन, डिवीजन और मॉडुलस ऑपरेटर से लो. This is the rule which we apply in programming of Java. Okay, you will follow this rule to calculate, to find the value of, to evaluate any expression. Okay, for example, I'm going to tell you, listen. Consider int a equal to, I have taken any value 4, comma b equal to 2. Okay, any value, and here I'm taking int c equal to a plus b into b equal a plus b into c. Consider this expression we have, this Java expression we have. Okay, so what is the solution of this? How you can solve it? You know, multiplication has higher priority than addition. So what multiplication will be calculated first here. So the value of a is what? 4. B is what? B is what? 2, and no c is there. Sorry, just a minute, one mistake I have done here. मान लो 2 मान लेते हैं या 3 मान लेते हैं, whatever. So 4 plus 2 into 3. Okay, 4 plus 2 into 3. So if you calculate, so you know multiplication has higher priority than addition. So multiplication will take place first. So 2 into 3 will be 6. So 4 plus 6 will be what? 10. So by this way, we'll apply the operator precedence. Okay. Now, another example I'm going to tell you. Listen carefully. Consider we have this statement A plus B into 3 upon 2. Now see the expression carefully. Now you can see here we have plus operator, multiplication operator, and division operator. Okay. And as you know, addition has lower priority, so leave it first. Now multiplication and division, प्लस की priority low है तो उसको हम छोड़ देते हैं. Now multiplication and division, you know, I have told you that multiplication and division, they have same priority, and here you can see they are coming in sequence. Multiplication के just बाद division आ रहा है. So here one question arises: which operator will be calculated first? What is the situation here? That situation is here that the operators of same precedence are coming in sequence. Then a question arises: which operator will be calculated first? अब दोनों की priority same है तो किसको पहले solve करेंगे? Okay. So in this situation means when the operators of same precedence occurs in sequence, then we need to apply associativity rule. And what is associativity rule for arithmetic operators? You know, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, these are what? Arithmetic operators. So for arithmetic operators, the associativity rule is left to right. Means when it is required, when the operators are coming in the sequence, when arithmetic operators are coming of same precedence are coming in sequence, you need to move from left to right. And if moving from left to right, which operator will come first will be evaluated first. Okay, so again I'm repeating, when the operators of same precedence are coming in sequence, then we need to apply associativity rule. And for the arithmetic operators, the associativity rule is what? Left to right. Left to right, किसी का right to left होता है, किसी का left to right होता है. But for arithmetic operator, it is what? Left to right. So you'll move from left to right, and which will come first will be calculated first. Okay. So here I'm going to write the definition of associativity rule. So we can define associativity rule as it determines the order of operators in an expression if they are of same precedence. Okay. And as I told, for arithmetic operators, it is for arithmetic operator, it is left to right. Okay. And for assignment operator, it is right to left. Okay. So arithmetic operator I have already discussed. I am now going to tell you about the assignment operator. See, A equal to B equal to 5. We can write like this. And you can see in this expression I have written this assignment operator 2 times. Okay. So both are same operators. So obviously their precedence, their priority will be same. दोनों assignment operator हैं, दोनों की priority obviously same होगी. So what will happen? So both are same. So the associativity rule for assignment operator is what? Right to left. So here this operator will work first. After this operator will work. Means we'll move from right to left, and which will come first will be evaluated first. So it will work like this. पहले ये operator काम करेगा right to left. पहले 5 will be stored into B. पहले ये operator काम करेगा, तब ये operator काम करेगा. And the value of B will be stored into A. Okay. So knowing the associativity rule for the arithmetic operators and for Assignment operator will be enough for us, but for class 9, 10th, I'm telling you, 9, 10th, 11, 12, this will be enough for us, okay, for our level. Okay. So associativity rule, when we apply associativity rule, if the operators of same precedence are coming in sequence. Okay. And generally we need to apply arithmetic operators. For arithmetic operators, that is what, left to right. So please remember this, and it will be useful in most of the question, in the question of output. You will get the expression and you have to find the output of that. So in that case, if you miss the operator precedence and if you miss the associativity rule, you will get wrong answer, wrong output will get. So please learn it properly. These things are small but very important. Okay. So thank you for this video, this much only.